So the first thing I'm going to do is get a lip pencil. I have mine from NARS. I'm just using it as an eyeshadow base. So I'm just putting it all over my lid, technically speaking, but I'm focusing mostly on the outer edges and in the middle. And then I'm going to get like a flat eyeshadow brush just to like blend everything out. Now grab the same orangey pink lip liner and flat eyeshadow brush and line the outer 1/3 of your bottom lash line. And now grab a flat, fluffy eyeshadow brush to ever slightly top a pinky glitter pigment on top of the lip liner base. I mean top and bottom of the eyes. To add body, get a light brown shimmery eyeshadow and apply it to the corner of your eyes and blend inward towards the middle with the same fluffy brush. Blend away harsh colors with a blending brush. I'm grabbing a highlighter that has a champagne color with golden undertones, taking the blending brush I used a while ago to apply in my inner corners, eye fat, or bottom inner corners. Grabbing a brush I used to line my eyebrows before the film, which is a very thin or flat and small defined eyeshadow brush. I'll use a leftover pigment to line my eye fat and blend it out with a dense fluffy eyeshadow brush. Use a felt tip eyeliner pen. Start by lining the middle of your eye and wing out downwards and connect to the end of your eye. Define your inner corners to make it seem sharper or cat-like. Line your outer bottom eye fat as well. Be sure to connect it to the wing, not to the end of the wing, but just slightly near it. Grab a small smudge brush and apply a black eyeshadow on the 1/3 of the bottom lash line and smudge it out. Now curl your lashes, do some touch-ups on eyeliner to prep for falsies. Now apply mascara and tight line. Once the falsies are ready to apply, place them on. Be sure it isn't too close to the inner corner. Let them dry, do some touch-ups if necessary. Recurl lashes to stick them together with our real lashes. Now great, now moving on to the lips. I added a base with the same lip liner that I used a while ago. Now I'm gonna get some Peri Peri ink lip tint and then place it all over in the inner corners, and then I'm concealing the outer corners of my lips and blending it out with a lip brush. Now grabbing some highlighter blush, I'm just putting it on the apples of my cheeks and spreading it outwards. Blend carefully. Alright, and now we're complete. Alright, thank you guys. I got dressed up and I fixed my hair into 2 low buns, and that's my signature look. Alright, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys liked it. Don't go yet. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Alright, still waiting.